Hi, Howard Del Monte here. Welcome to the Clarity Commentary. I know the last few weeks of market volatility felt intense with all the geopolitical headlines out of the Middle East. But here's some encouraging news. The US and Iran have announced a 2-week ceasefire. While the situation remains delicate and we're watching developments closely, markets have responded with a relief rally. And history shows that these kind of shocks often fade. We're hopeful that stability will return and we're shaking it off and moving forward. Even better, on the macro front, the U.S. economy is proving incredibly resilient. GDP growth is holding steady in the low 2% range. AI capital spending continues to surge, and the latest stimulus measures are putting more money back in your pockets while supercharging business investment. These positives point to lower borrowing costs ahead, continued innovation, and real, tangible growth that builds more wealth in your accounts, not just today, but for years to come. And right now, the markets are starting to find their footing after the volatility. Clarity is returning, and for those of you who held conviction through the turbulence and you own the right stocks, this is exactly when it pays off. The stocks with the strongest fundamentals, momentum, and earnings outlook always move first, and they always move the furthest. That's precisely why our biggest holdings, Nvidia, Palantir, Robinhood, Constellation Energy, Tesla, and Amazon, are positioned so well. Nvidia is the undisputed leader powering the entire AI revolution. Think of it as the pick and shovel supplier for the biggest technological boom in decades. Palantir is rapidly growing by bringing powerful, easy-to-use AI tools to government and big businesses. Robinhood just launched an exciting new test network that lets developers experiment with crypto versions of real stocks, including Tesla and Amazon, which could open the door to faster 24/7 trading in the future. Constellation Energy is signing huge long-term contracts with Microsoft and Meta to provide clean, reliable nuclear power specifically for AI data centers, basically fueling the energy needs of tomorrow's tech boom. Tesla and Amazon continue to lead the way in self-driving technology, robotics, cloud computing, and AI, the key building blocks of the next decade of innovation. These aren't just holdings, they're the engines of tomorrow's economy. Now, if you stayed steady, your conviction's about to deliver real rewards. The best is still ahead, and we're perfectly positioned to capture it. Exciting times are here. Let's keep building your brighter future together. Reach out anytime with questions. Thank you for watching. Stay positive, stay invested. Thank you.